Welcome back to Summit Railway on this nice sunny fall day. As you can tell, we are mid-November. Most leaves are on the ground at this point. I am still waiting on the delivery of the signals for this part of the layout. So today I won't be able to make any building progress, but I'd reckon we get rid of the leaves on the layout and have some fun today. Let's run some trains. We got a whole bunch of rain the last couple of days, so the leaves are pretty wet. I will try to blow them off the tracks with my leaf blower, and after that we will see how much work we have to do by hand. Look at this beautiful leaf blower. The only thing missing are the batteries for it. They are all on duty right now. My mom took them with her. So it seems like I have to do a lot of handwork today to make the layout working. But luckily I've got the track inspectors with me. So they are moving the leaves for me. Okay, let's get right to business. Okay, the big station area is roughly cleaned up, not regarding cleaning the switches so that they will function, but all the leaves and sticks and stones are off of the layout. I was curious how long it will take me, and it took me 30 minutes. So the leaf blower would have sped up this process very much, but I can't use it at the moment, so it is what it is. I wanna drive my trains today. Now I will go ahead and clean the rest of my layout. Most of the leaves are removed from the layout. They are kind of falling faster than I can pick them up, but anyways, and as you can tell, the sun is shining onto the tracks and drying them up. That's key because I need dry tracks to clean them properly with my track cleaning wagon. By the way, to get to this point of the cleanup process, it took me 1 hour and 7 minutes. So that's quite some time for just leaf cleanup. But normally it would go way faster with the leaf blower. The next step of the track cleaning procedure will be the track cleaning wagon. Let's insert the freshly charged battery. And look how nice the roof works since I've filed down the hooks. I like this a lot better. So next up is the locomotive. And we are ready to go. Before I can clean any of the tracks, I need to make sure that the switches work properly and no stone is in between the switches. So let's see. That's a good start. Nothing works. So, we are about half an hour later. I've messed with every single switch in the station area and I figured out we have a massive problem. Most of the switches won't work properly, which is a shame. You have to assist them by hand to make them work. And for some switches even that isn't enough. So I have to figure out a solution for this problem. But for now I wanna get the tracks clean so I can ride at least some trains today. Oh, what? It seems like today nothing will work. Believe it or not, I figured out my voltage problem with the wagon, so now it works and we can finally clean the tracks, I hope. We'll turn it on. Look what a difference it makes. This is cleaned and that's not. I think even on the camera it shows clearly. So let me go ahead and clean all of the tracks and then we can finally have some fun. I hope it isn't dark when I get done. There we go. After 5 hours of work, this layout is ready for operation. You have seen all the steps that go into it, minus I've got no working switches. They all stop at random places, but that's a problem I can't solve today. So after 5 hours I'm ready. We can bring this cleaning wagon down into the basement and then run some proper trains. By the way, this should answer some of your questions why I don't make train operations after I get a certain step done on the layout. For example, as I was finishing the platforms with the lights, you suggested I should run some trains, and I would like to, but it's just too time consuming. So with that out of the way, let's get some trains on the track and have some fun. So far so good. I got at least 3 trains running. One is this one, I like it very much, and those seem to run great on the layout. But today nothing won't work as planned, I can tell you. 5 hours to get this layout running, and now it's getting dark. I was planning on running the trains in the sunshine, but that's not gonna happen. So I'd reckon we are going to wait until it's dark. Then I will turn on all the lights in the station area, and I will get some night shots for you guys.